A beautifully maintained 3-story semi-detached home within the high-demand Upper Beaches Estates neighborhood. Welcome to 77 Whistlepost Street. A stone walkway and landscaped gardens frame the covered front porch, and both the porch as well as the second-story balcony are finished with stately exterior columns. This inviting entrance opens into a ceramic-tiled foyer with a decor column and a half wall separating it from the tastefully decorated living room and its adjacent dining area, both which are finished with oak hardwood flooring. High ceilings, a neutral decor, and natural light through the living room windows gives these entertaining spaces a bright, airy atmosphere, while accent pot lighting along their shared wall and a pendant-style light fixture in the dining room add ambient brightness. Throughout the kitchen area is ceramic flooring, and pot lighting complements the bright, natural light of its south-facing exposure. Open and very functional, the kitchen additionally features granite counters with breakfast seating and a stainless steel double undermount sink at the peninsula, a tiled backsplash, appliances including an over-the-range microwave, as well as a stainless steel oven with gas cooktop, a fridge, and a dishwasher, while the warm wood cabinetry offers amazing storage space, including a pantry. Adjacent to the kitchen is space well suited as either a breakfast or family room with the added coziness of a gas fireplace. And from here is the walkout to the backyard. Fully fenced, this beautiful outdoor entertaining space features an interlocking patio area with a pergola, a tiered wood deck, a mature tree, as well as perennial gardens, and provides access to a detached single-car garage. Curving gracefully to the second level is an oak hardwood staircase, with the railing continued along the hallway to a carpeted staircase carrying to the third level. Bamboo flooring flows throughout most of this level, which features 2 bedrooms, with the first bedroom having cozy carpeting, while both bedrooms feature double closets and contemporary light fixtures, and the second bedroom also enjoys the sunshine brightness of a south-facing exposure. Pot lighting brightens the hallway, and the linen closet is just down the hall from the 4-piece washroom, which has a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. The family room has a walkout onto a balcony overlooking the street, while enhancing the grandeur of the space is a soaring cathedral ceiling. Recesses on its west wall are ideal for media and display units or to customize with built-in cabinetry and shelving. The staircase from the family room leads to the third-level master bedroom, which enjoys the bright, natural lighting of a south-facing exposure. Featuring cork flooring, his and her closets, a contemporary light fixture, and a French door walkout onto a private balcony, the bedroom's ensuite washroom has been beautifully appointed with his and her floating vanities with vessel basins, vinyl plank flooring and tiled finishes, a soaker tub, and a separate shower area with glass door, an accent pot light, and a rain shower. Across from the dining area is a sunken landing, off of which is a powder room with ceramic flooring and a floating vanity, as well as the stairs to a fully finished lower level with laminate flooring and pot lighting throughout much of its space. Featured on this level is a bonus room with a mirrored door double closet and access to a cold cellar that is well suited as a workout room or private office. Tiled floors in both a laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, as well as a 3-piece washroom with a floating vanity and a glass shower area. A cozy recreation area that makes a great sitting area or study nook, as well as a generously sized bedroom with a mirrored door double closet and a contemporary flush mount light fixture. A short walk to William Hancock's Park, public transit, an arena, a community centre, and a public library. This home is also close to schools, the Danforth GO and Main Street subway stations, as well as the shopping, restaurants, and entertainment along Danforth Avenue, and has easy access to the Don Valley Parkway.